Hi there, students. In this video I'm going to look at the adjectives taciturn and laconic. Taciturnly and laconically are the corresponding adverbs. Okay, taciturn describes a person who's not talkative, who says very little. He's a very taciturn person, but when he speaks, you should listen. Somebody who is laconic uses very few words when they speak. So notice their difference. Taciturn, a person who doesn't speak a lot, and laconic, a person who uses very few words when they speak. So if you're laconic, you're brief and use as few words as possible. He is taciturn and does not often speak. And when he does speak, he's laconic and uses as few words as necessary. A piece of writing can be laconic. It uses few words to explain what it's trying to mean. I think a good explanation should be fairly laconic so that the student can remember the meaning. Although I do feel it's important to repeat. The repetition of the explanation is necessary. So politicians are anything but taciturn and laconic. A taciturn person is often shy, reserved and introverted. I think a laconic person is characteristic as dry and curt. So let's see, the opposite of taciturn is a windbag. Somebody who could talk the hind legs off a donkey. Blah, 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 blah. If you're laconic, you're sparing with the amount of words you use. If you want to be precise, being laconic is good. And unfortunately, laws are usually not laconic at all. After all, why use 10 words when you can use 100? You see, more is not always better. The opposite of laconic is verbose. So taciturn, a person who doesn't speak much. He taciturnly spent the afternoon reading his books. He laconically answered me with one-word answers. Yes, no. Okay, both of these words, taciturn and laconic, these are quite formal. I'd probably give them 7.5, maybe even 8 in formality. Let's see. Taciturn comes from Latin, tacitus, meaning secret. And then laconic comes from ancient Greece, lakonikos, which means from Laconia. Laconia was a place ruled by the Spartans, and the people of Laconia were famous for using very few words when they spoke, or for not speaking very much, and hence laconic. So, taciturn doesn't speak often, laconic doesn't say much when they speak. And these are both formal words. I think informally I would say taciturn, quiet and reserved, laconic, of few words, something like that. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Taciturn and laconic.